channel. It's ThatGirlRuvie. If you're new, my name is Ruby. Please do subscribe and put your notification bell on so you get notified every time I post. To my returning loves, welcome back. How y'all doing? How y'all doing, girlies and guys, if there's any? So today we're going to be doing this top. I'm not really sure how you pronounce the type of neck it is, but I think it's cowl neck or something like that. I saw this on Pinterest and it's like a really simple DIY type of top. My house is a bit noisy, sorry about that. But anyway, let's get into the video and create our top. Today I'm going to be measuring all the measurements for the top because I don't have anything similar. So we're going to start measuring how low we want the top to be in front. So we're gonna just gonna drop the measuring tape however you want the fabric to rest on your chest. And then second, we're going to measure from under our armpit to the waist. And then the last measurement will be from between our boobs to how long you want it to be. If you want it longer, you can go longer. If you want it shorter, shorten the measurement. And then here the fabric is folded in half. And then I'm going to measure the middle parts for the length of the top in front so that we do not waste fabric. On the folded part, we're going to put down the measurement that we took first, which is going to be how droopy we want the top to be. And then the second measurement is going to be the one from under your armpit until your waistline that we're going to put down on the side. Here I'm marking down half of the top measurement at the bottom of our top, and then going to draw little dashes connecting that middle point to the side waistline point. Here I'm folding our folded fabric in half so that the sides of the top will be symmetric, and then I'm going to cut the curvy line that we did at the bottom. Don't forget to always pin down your fabric so that it does not move and make straight lines, please. We're going to start sewing our straps, and then we're going to fold it in half, making sure that the inside of the fabric is on the outside. That's why you're going to top stitch on it. We're going to trim the excess fabric on the strap so that it will be easy for us to turn it inside out. Here my attempt trying to turn the strap inside out, I was using a crochet hook and then realized it was too thick, so I started using a pen filler thing, and then that worked. Now we're going to attach our straps to the middle part of the top. We're going to take the first strap and put it on the top end of the folded part on the inside. Make sure your fabric is inside out on fold. And then we're going to pin down our strap. And then we're going to take the second strap and put it on the bottom side of the end, as you can see here. Also pin it down. And here we're going to sew over the straps and all around the whole top as well. We are going to leave a small little opening on the other side of the top. You'll see it later on the video. So that we'll be able to turn the top inside out to its right side. Do make sure that you double stitch on where the strap is attaching to your top so that it's firm and secured and it won't break off easily. You're going to want to leave a little hole, not that big of a hole, about like 4 to 5 centimeters, so that you'll be able to turn your top inside out. After stitching everything down, you're going to want to trim excess of the strap or excess fabric, little threads of your top before we turn it inside out. We're going to go to the little opening that we left and just start pushing our fabric through until the whole top is inside out. We're going to iron our top to make sure everything is straight and flat and laid out. And then on that little opening that we had used to put our top inside out, we're going to do a top stitch over it. And this is the final look. Totally love this. I think it's one of my favorite things I've ever done. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me do this, and I hope you try it yourself. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and tell friends, share with your friends that like sewing things. Yeah, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.